Hello students, so today the topic is concept of healthcare as a service. Okay, so healthcare, we know that it consists of the hospital, medical device, then telemedicine, medical tourism, health insurance, medical equipment, pharmaceuticals. So this is all comprised of healthcare industry, and the healthcare sector is growing, at a brisk pace due to its strengthening coverage, services, and increasing expenditure by public as well as the private players. So there are the 7 P's of marketing also indicates the 7 P's in case of healthcare sector, but as a service sector. And the products that we know that the healthcare is a service sector, right? However, this sector also has certain products which the services which are rendered as product, which can be understood as a product, are like medical service, medical training, medical education, and medical research. So these are the things that the healthcare industry gives to the client as a product, right? So these are services, of course, yes, but as a product, if we say, then these are the products that the hospital gives as a service to its customer or to its patient or to its clientele. So these are medical service. So medical service means the medical treatment that the hospital provides to its client. Medical training, so the training will be given to healthcare professionals in order to develop their skills. Then medical education. So when we talk about medical education, it means the formal education with a degree, with a certificate which has been given to healthcare professional, maybe a doctor, maybe a nurse, maybe a lab technician, or maybe any other technician or therapist which can be given by the hospitals to the beneficiary. And then the medical research, yes. So medical research is a very huge kind of a sector which is there in the healthcare, and in fact those patients who gets treatment in the hospital, the hospital stores the data of the patient. Of course, there is also the privacy and confidentiality of the patient is also taken care of, but however this data which the hospital collect, they are being converted into various relevant information, and they can be used in various research in the future so as to improve the service given to the patient by the hospital, and also in improving the treatment of the patient. So we can know that what is the what is the prognosis of the patient, and we can know that what is the failure rate of certain type of treatment, what are the side effects of certain treatment. So these are all taken care of by the medical research. Medical research not just deals with the clinical trials or something like that, but also it deals with the operations as well. So we try to do the business process re-engineering through the various data collection and analysis of this data, tracking, mapping down the patient flow and all, and then we can improve our services as well. So healthcare sector is a service sector, and these services are which the hospital delivers to its patients are divided into medical service, which which we have already discussed. Medical service, it can be medical training, it can be medical education, and medical research. So all this are the products of the hospital which is rendered to the beneficiaries as a service. Okay, so we'll be continuing in the next video. Thank you so much.